The purchasing officer's 5 toughest questions.
Question 1. Do you have quality assurance?
Of course, every certificate is backed by Party Labs.
Question 2. How about the scale and supply capacity of your factory?
Our factory covers an area of 152,000 square meters, and quality is our guarantee. Customer first.
Question 3. How about your company's design and innovation capabilities?
We have over 100 designs, styles, and we guarantee your satisfaction.
Question 4. Is your product price competitive in the market?
Our sales are increasing year by year, and our products have high cost effectiveness.
Question 5. Do you have any project engineering experience? Do you have any successful cases?
Of course we have. These pictures are all successful cases of our engineering projects.
Wow, I believe you'll be the best!